Hello, this is Jeff, Finley River Kennels. It's Farm Truck Friday. We're gonna mukbang in the parking lot again. Truck bang. I had to record this video, get out. We over here at Buc-ee's again. We're getting this Texas size barbecue. See that? We got that barbecue going on. Over here, that's my truck that we banged in last time. That's my cousin, Fossil Creek Kennel. That's his truck right there. We're doing a roll by. That's my son, Anthony Lackey, banging in the truck.
Alright, that didn't give me that much meat, man.
That didn't give you that much meat. So we are going to, I think he upset that, I don't know where he going. Anyway, we're going to get in here and bang in a farm truck with old Fossil.
Hey, I'm videoing too from my channel.
He's already, let me set this up right here. Buck banging in the parking lot.
You hold it right there, yeah?
Fossil already done, and I don't think you already ate it, didn't you?
No.
Oh, okay.
Mukbang. Woo-hoo.
Let's see what we got.
Here, put your phone
Here's a
down
little
there.
sandwich right there. Alright, we got to give him a bite. Mama TK, there you go. There you a bite.
You need to...
See, this is
You didn't bring no barbecue sauce?
that's for old Val and Coco.
I seen it. Hey, your son.
Get you a bite right there.
Alright, I'm back here.
Try that barbecue.
What's funny? That's like.
Bro, you want that barbecue sauce?
I see him in there getting
I got
some
4.
sauce.
Oh, he got some more.
Oh my gosh, I shut the door out.
Alright, so we're gonna see. This is Farm Truck Friday, like I said. And we banging in the parking lot, getting ready. We did go hunting tonight. We did tree a coon with old Joe. That's good.
Hey, put your phone, your cup down there.
Put my cup down there. Y'all see what I did to my cup? Went to get a drink and busted a big old hole in it.
There's a sandwich. You gotta get the light on it. Sandwich. My beautiful
Here we
face.
go. Look at this. Oh, Fossil got a little holder right here.
Yeah.
Buck banging in the parking lot. It ain't gonna be as funny as the last one, but
Ford trucks. Awesome. That's all we drive.
we
I
are
gotta find
gonna
somewhere to put my
put
fan
my little
at, man.
barbecue on here, sauce on here.
I'm gonna tell y'all something on my channel, and on Finley. If you gotta add barbecue sauce to a barbecue sandwich, ain't something wrong.
Well, see, last week it was good, the one Anthony had.
It was freaking good, bro.
That was,
Sorry about the video about last time. YouTube was letting me upload a
I mean,
video
it's
for some
good, but
reason.
it's a little on
Don't
the
know
dry
why.
we
side.
got some pickles in it,
Upload this
some
one.
onions hanging off everywhere.
These onions
It's
are
not as
pretty
big as
rough.
last week, but
Ooh,
y'all know that
steamed crap.
fish that I had, was it fish? Yeah, that fish sandwich, that jumped out there and started swimming away and stuff.
Mmm.
That was messy.
Damn, my stuff.
This is a clean bang in the farm truck.
God, glaring, man. I'm sorry. Oh, what did I do? I hit the upload.
It is good. We over here at Buc-ee's on 35,
Good.
Fort Worth, Texas, by the Texas Motor Speedway.
Put some more light down there.
Y'all look.
That's pretty good, though.
I got somewhere to post. Y'all.
Delicious.